And tonight, are live events left behind on the road to reopening Oregon? What we're hearing from those who want more help from state officials.
Plus, COVID data not available to you or us here at KOIN 6, and the bill that could change all of that.
Plus, attempted murder charges connected to Portland riots, who's been arrested, and how undercover FBI agents are involved.
Live, you're watching KOIN 6 News at 10, watching out for you.
Well, tonight, hundreds of new COVID cases, but some are especially concerning as students head back into the classroom. 2 school districts in our region have already sent letters to parents about positive COVID cases. It is 10 o'clock. Good evening, everyone. I'm Jeff Gianola.
And I'm Elizabeth Din. Students around the state are going back to school, but in-person learning also means being at potential risk of getting COVID-19.
Our Jacqueline Abad spoke with health officials tonight about what this means for students who may have been exposed. What did they tell you, Jacqueline?
Jeff, Elizabeth, there was one case of COVID-19 here at Markham Elementary in Southwest Portland. The cohort or group impacted were temporarily moved to distance learning and asked to quarantine.
The risks are absolutely lowest in the classroom.
As younger students head back into the classroom, they are wearing masks and physical distancing to reduce the spread of COVID-19.
We're excited about the kids coming back. We know there's going to be bumps in the road. We're all in this together.
At Markham Elementary, 2nd through 5th graders went back today. On Sunday, parents received this email stating an individual in the school tested positive for COVID-19, but we don't know if it's a student or staff member. Portland Public Schools is working closely with Multnomah County Health.
Everything that happens in school in terms of COVID reflects what's going on in the community. And so, of course, some kids are going to come to school with the infection, and some teachers are going to come to school with the infection. But the good news is, because schools have been really ramping up to be ready to do this very carefully, the likelihood of picking it up in school has become very, very uncommon.
A separate notification was sent to those who were in the exposed cohort. They've been asked to quarantine at home for 10 to 14 days, and their parents are asked to watch for any symptoms.
If the child does develop symptoms, they need to stay home potentially longer.
Lake Oswego School District also sent a letter stating they are aware of 2 cases at Lake Ridge High and 1 case at Lake Oswego High School, but say all cases were contracted outside of the school.
Every month we're going to learn more and more, and we're going to make it safer and safer, and we're excited to have kids back in school when that's the right place for them.
I spoke with one parent. She tells me that she wasn't surprised to get the letter, and she says that, the school is doing everything they can for the sake of the kids. While she's happy to see kids back into the classroom, she says that the virtual learning, especially for the little ones, just isn't working. Reporting live, Jacqueline Abad, KOIN 6 News.